Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we will learn about how to convert an array into zigzag fashion, and it is a practice problem. Okay, so first let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically we would be given an array and we need to print the output in a zigzag fashion. Now how to do it, let's see. So basically let's take an example. 1 minute. Basically n equal to 7, that means we have 7 elements in the array. Okay, and this is the given array to us. Okay, now basically we need to follow this criteria and we need to print the output. So basically A should be smaller than B and B should be greater than C. Okay, so A is an element which is smaller than B, but it is it is greater than C as well. Okay, so basically first I added 3. Okay, why? Because 3 is basically less than 7 and 7 is smaller than 4. Okay, so this is what I did over here. Okay, now C should be smaller than D. Okay, so C should be smaller than D. So let's say over here 8 is coming. Okay, now after 8 we have to see that this is also greater than E. Okay, so over here I can write 2. Okay, then after this again over here we need an element which is greater than this, right? So for that we would have 6. Okay, now the next element should be smaller than this. Okay, so for that I have 1. Okay, so this is the pattern. Basically this is the pattern which we need to follow to print out the above result. Okay, so I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's solve the problem. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, 1 minute, let me show it to you. In the difficulty section, you need to choose basic. Okay, then you need to find the problem, convert array into zigzag fashion. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay, so let's solve the question now. Okay, here is the question. Let's read it. Given an array of size n, rearrange the elements of the array in zigzag fashion. The converted array should be in form A, B, C, D, E, F, the form that I showed you. The relative order of the element is same in the output. You have to iterate on the original array only. So this is the question and we need to code it over here. Okay, so let's start. Give me 1 minute. Okay, so let's start. First I am applying a for loop. For I in range, circular brackets, length of array minus 1. Okay, then colon, enter. Over here, if circular brackets bool, that is boolean, circular brackets I modulus 2. Okay, over here, 1 minute, let me check. Okay, then over here it is raised to the power. 1 minute. Over here, now next is array. Okay, array I, ith position, should be less than array I plus 1. Okay, so basically we are applying the formula, then colon, enter, then continue. Okay, I need to continue like this. Okay, I cannot stop, continue, enter. Now over here it would be array I. Okay, then comma, array I plus 1. Okay, that's the next position, equal to array I plus 1. Okay, then comma, array I. Okay, now I need to check if the solution is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. 1 minute, let's see. Let's wait. Okay, so let's wait. The compilation is happening over here. Okay, so we need to wait. So 1 minute, let's check. Okay, the compilation is completed. Okay, my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay, so let's wait. Let me increase the size. Problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem, convert array into zigzag fashion. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.